This week on Dlozi'Lam, we met Thabiso, who was losing track of his life and fighting with his wife more and more. He wrote to the show to seek clarity about this and what he could do to fix it, which at first seemed like a romantic gesture until Thembi revealed he cheated on his wife. Thabiso wasn't forthcoming with information regarding his cheating ways. Their ancestors did that for him instead. His maternal grandmother revealed the truth, and it was a bitter glance at his life. Thembi claimed he had collected muti from the type of woman he was sleeping with. He brought it to his wife. This obviously caused the discord in his marriage. It didn't help that his wife consulted alone and they were told that Thabiso was using muti against her. As a result, she picked up muti to defend herself from him as well. They couldn't see the truth. Instead, they had convinced her that he was trying to kill her. Their marriage crumbled to the point of her actually leaving him and threatening for a divorce. He caused her so much pain and was quiet all along. I was very disappointed with this week's guest. He wasn't transparent. He had cheated in the marriage and he tried to cover it up with more lies instead of being honest. I don't believe Thabiso deserves another chance. What do you think? Having said that, it doesn't surprise me that a cheating man would bring curses from the outside. The very act of sexual relations is such a spiritual moment, at least to me. The energies involved are intense and you make yourself vulnerable to things like muti. If he had remained faithful, Thabiso's family wouldn't be falling apart right now. But maybe the consultation with Thembi will help him remedy the situation. What do you think? What's your take on this week's episode? The ancestors of the wife were so angry and furious with the son-in-law and wouldn't let a little thing like being dead get in the way of that. He fought for the dignity of his wife with great passion, and in the end, the son-in-law humbled himself. Thabiso. I love that he was able to come through and speak for his daughter who wasn't present. So Thabiso wrote to the show. His problem differed slightly from the usual guests. We always get people who are struggling with stagnancy in their life. However, Thabiso's case was suffering because his family was coming apart and he couldn't find a way to fix it.